guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Jomso Saree unboxing. This was a requested video and not a sponsored video. I have purchased this from my own money. Anyways, coming back to the video. Before that guys, if you're watching me for the first time and if you like what you watch, then please do consider subscribing my channel. Without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. So this is how Jomso does its packaging. Oh good. Let's see the saree. I have not opened this yet. This is the saree she asked me to review. This is how the saree should look. So I was actually thinking that they're going to give some kind of a golden beadings or lace here, golden lace. Not actually golden, those pipes you get in lace. I thought they were going to give that, but I am a little disappointed after seeing this, because these are normal cloth kind of a fringes, which I'm not a big fan of. Anyways, let's see the saree. First, let's see the blouse fabric. They have given the simple black fabric. It's Bangalore silk. So this is the fabric. It's plain, there's no design at all, and they have included a piece of net fabric. Again, the fabric of this is pretty good. It's very soft. The net fabric is soft, and even this is very good. And they have provided around a 0.80 meter of fabric for the blouse. It's a very simple basic blouse guys. And now let's see the saree. It's a georgette saree, plain black georgette saree, but it has like a tiny golden rhinestones which is stuck all throughout the saree. This is how it looks. And these are the fringes. This is how it is going to look. They have given this fringes. I thought it is going to be a golden beads fringes, or like a little good quality one, but here it's just woolen fringes, which I am really not liking it. But anyways, if you see the stitching, too good. Even the fabric of this saree is pretty good. Now coming to, do I really like it? I am not a fan of these kind of fringes. It looks really cheap, and though if you talk about the fabric and the quality of the fabric, it's really good, but the design wise I am a little disappointed with Jomso. Coming to the price, the original price was 2,400 rupees and the discounted price is 1,290, which I think is okay for the product. If you like these kind of fringes, you can go for it, but for me, I don't like this kind of sarees, so I would like to rate it 3 out of 5. If you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in the description box. Now if you don't know about this site, then let me tell you guys, Jomso sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear, lehengas, sarees, gowns, kurtis, whatnot. And placing an order is very easy. You can either go to their jomso.com or you can WhatsApp them. Even they do have cash on delivery option, and they ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge. Now if you didn't like a product, or if you receive a defective product, to mail them within 7 days, and they're going to arrange for a return, and they're going to give you credit note. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.